Ultra Modern Development Group is a construction management company that understands the needs of the real estate community and became an all-in-one construction to permit builder. From the architect to the interior designer being completely in-house, the buyer has a front row seat to their home coming to life. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, the buyer gets approved by our in-house exclusive lender for construction to permit loan with as little as 3.5% down payment instead of the bank's traditional 20% down payment. Second, the buyer selects from one of the many semi-custom production homes that are ready to go, or they can sit down with our in-house architect and have their custom home built from scratch. Simultaneously, the buyer selects a vacant land within our current inventory list or a vacant land of their choice that's open in the market, and as long as the land is available, buildable, and within their loan-approved amount, we can move forward within their build. Third, the buyer closes on their construction to permit loan within 60 days of home and vacant land confirmation, and construction process begins the following day. At Ultra Modern Development Group, we've made the home buying process simple, inexpensive, and stress-free. No price gouging, no bidding wars, a straight line and honest approach towards home ownership. Call us now, 407-777-2350, or visit us online at www.ultramoderngroup.com.